Hi guys, welcome to Hardreset Info channel. Today I would show you how add remove magnification on your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Firstly, you must swipe up the screen and go to the settings. In it, we look for accessibility option. And there we have our vision. Now we look for our magnification option right there. And we must switch on it. There we have some option of our magnification. Tap accessibility button, press slide and volume up buttons, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Triple tap screen. It's option to start our magnification. We can choose first option maybe, but we can also choose all option. And after that we have this icon on the right corner, and after tap we have our magnification. To change position we use 2 finger, and we can change position of our zoom. To turn off it, we click on our icon. Also, we can triple touch the screen to active magnification. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.